Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your own gradient here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating your own gradient in Canva allows you for a personalized touch in your designs, giving them a unique look and feel. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the project or the design that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can use the business, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. If you want to start from scratch and create your own gradient, just click on the create a design option here. Now, what I'm going to do is click the new page here. I'm going to go to the element section and type in gradient. All right, so I want you to do that right now. Click on gradient. You can choose from any of the gradient that you wanted here, right? So click on see all and you would be able to have your own custom effects here. All right, let's say for example, let's type in maybe let's put in a picture right here on the side. For example, let's choose not move actually. For example, this I'm going to put it at the back. This is going to be a part of our send it to back our gradient right here, right? So this goes here, this goes here. Of course, you can put in as much as we don't want that. Go to elements, right? And maybe you can use this one. Of course, you have the option to decrease the transparency to make it like that. You can choose a lot. You can be creative. You're not limited with the options, all right? Decrease that, maybe this around here, just decrease the element right here, whatever it pop-ups in your mind around here, everything goes. Maybe an eye here and just like this one right here. Of course, if you can find more interesting elements, you are welcome to do that. Maybe around here, this one goes here. Let me just decrease the transparency. Of course, I'm going to add more. Maybe this one right here at the bottom. I'm gonna decrease the transparency right here because designing your gradient. Because I find it that designing your own gradients encourages creativity and experimentation with color combinations, allowing you to express your artistic vision more freely. You might want to click on the play button to see if the gradient that you have created blends perfectly well. And then once you are happy with how that feels, right, I'm going to click on the share button on the upper right corner. You see, just click on the download. If you want to download this as an MP4 video, you're welcome to do that. Or if you want to download this JPEG or PNG, since you are creating your own gradient, right? If you want to share this amazing design, just click on the copy link and send this link to your client or to your team collaborator. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.